Welcome to the pristine facility where Golden McDonald's Chicken McNuggets begin their delicious journey from farm-fresh ingredients to your table. Here, tender white meat chicken arrives daily from trusted farms, each delivery inspected for perfect texture, optimal moisture, and exceptional quality standards. Expert butchers carefully trim premium breast meat, removing every imperfection while preserving the succulent fibers that create McNugget's signature tender bite. The aromatic chicken pieces enter massive stainless steel grinders, transforming whole muscle meat into the perfect consistency for forming and shaping. Master food technicians blend the ground chicken with precise amounts of seasoning, creating that iconic savory flavor profile customers crave worldwide. Natural ingredients like salt, pepper, and proprietary spices marry together, infusing each morsel with layers of mouth-watering taste and aroma. The seasoned mixture flows through specialized equipment where hydraulic presses shape 4 distinct McNugget forms: bell, bone, ball, and boot. Each perfectly portioned nugget travels along gleaming conveyors, maintaining exact weight specifications that ensure consistent cooking and optimal crispy texture. A delicate tempura-style batter station awaits, where each nugget receives its first coating of wheat flour, cornstarch, and leavening. The batter adheres flawlessly to every surface, creating microscopic pockets that will soon transform into irresistibly crunchy golden exterior layers. Cascading breadcrumb waterfalls envelope each battered piece, applying the signature coating that delivers that satisfying crunch with every single bite. Precision breading machines ensure uniform coverage, pressing golden crumbs into every curve while maintaining the nugget's distinctive shapes and textures. The breaded nuggets plunge into bubbling canola oil at exactly 350 degrees, beginning their transformation into crispy perfection. For precisely 60 seconds, the nuggets dance in golden oil, their coating crisping while interior meat reaches food safety temperatures. This partial frying locks in moisture and flavor, creating a protective shell that preserves tenderness during freezing and final restaurant preparation. Emerging from their oil bath, the nuggets glisten with appetizing golden brown hues, steam rising as excess oil drains away completely. Powerful blast freezers instantly preserve peak freshness, dropping nugget temperatures to -10 degrees in under 15 minutes flat. Quality control specialists sample nuggets hourly, evaluating texture, flavor, balance, breading, adhesion, and that perfect crispy to tender ratio customers expect. Automated vision systems inspect every single nugget, rejecting any with imperfect coating, incorrect size, or inconsistent golden color before packaging. The approved nuggets flow into automated packaging lines, where precise portions fill bags destined for McDonald's restaurants across the entire nation. Sealed packages receive date stamps and batch codes, ensuring complete traceability from this spotless facility to your neighborhood McDonald's location. Temperature-controlled trucks await loading their refrigerated interiors, maintaining the perfect environment to preserve texture, flavor, and nutritional integrity completely. Throughout transportation, digital sensors monitor conditions, continuously guaranteeing each nugget arrives at restaurants in absolutely pristine, fresh frozen condition. At McDonald's kitchens, crew members remove nuggets from freezers, preparing to complete the cooking process that creates crispy, golden perfection. The nuggets plunge into fresh, bubbling oil at precisely 325 degrees, completing their culinary transformation in 3 minutes. Skilled crew members monitor cooking times, meticulously ensuring each batch achieves that perfect balance of crispy coating and juicy interior. The finished nuggets emerge gloriously golden brown, their tempura coating crackling with irresistible texture while aromatic steam rises invitingly upward. Heat lamps maintain optimal serving temperature, preserving the crispy exterior while keeping the tender white meat inside perfectly warm. Each nugget showcases the perfect marriage of textures, crunchy golden breading yielding to succulent steaming white meat chicken beneath. The distinctive shapes add playful appeal while maximizing surface area for sauce adhesion and delivering optimal crispy coating ratios. Quality checks continue at restaurant level, with managers ensuring every nugget meets McDonald's exacting standards for taste and appearance. Fresh batches rotate through warming stations regularly, guaranteeing customers always receive nuggets at peak flavor and textural perfection daily. The aroma of freshly cooked nuggets fills the kitchen, a savory blend of seasoned chicken and golden fried breading beckoning. Each order receives careful attention, with crew members selecting only the finest nuggets for customer boxes and Happy Meals. The nuggets nestle into iconic red boxes, their golden surfaces glistening under restaurant lights, ready for eager hands to enjoy. Steam escapes as boxes open, releasing tantalizing aromas of perfectly seasoned chicken and crispy coating into the dining atmosphere. The first bite delivers symphonic texture, contrasts audible crunch, giving way to tender, juicy white meat bursting with savory flavor. Natural chicken juices mingle with seasoning on the palate, creating the familiar taste that's delighted generations of McNugget enthusiasts worldwide. Each subsequent bite maintains consistent quality, proving the meticulous process ensures perfection from first nugget to very last piece. Paired with signature dipping sauces, the nuggets transform into customizable flavor experiences from tangy barbecue to creamy ranch variations. The golden coating acts as a perfect vessel capturing sauce while maintaining structural integrity through every delicious, satisfying bite taken. Children and adults alike savor these crispy treasures, proof that simple ingredients prepared with care create truly memorable dining experiences. Behind every nugget lies rigorous safety protocols with multiple checkpoints, ensuring only the highest quality products reach customer tables nationwide. Temperature logs document every step, creating comprehensive records that trace each nugget's journey from raw ingredient to finished product. Laboratory technicians analyze samples daily, testing for quality markers including moisture content, breading adhesion, oil absorption, and flavor consistency. The facility operates under strict food safety standards, exceeding government requirements while maintaining McDonald's own elevated quality benchmarks consistently. Sanitation crews work around-the-clock deep cleaning equipment between production runs to maintain the pristine environment nuggets deserve. Stainless steel surfaces gleam under bright lights, reflecting the commitment to cleanliness that protects product integrity throughout the entire process. Employee training programs ensure every worker understands their critical role in delivering safe, delicious nuggets to millions of customers. Regular audits verify compliance with hundreds of quality checkpoints from ingredient receiving through final packaging and distribution to restaurants. The breading mixture undergoes constant refinement, with food scientists adjusting ratios to achieve optimal crispness and flavor in every batch. Proprietary seasoning blends remain closely guarded, secrets, their precise formulations, creating the distinctive taste customers recognize and crave instantly. Oil quality receives continuous monitoring with filtration systems removing particles while maintaining optimal frying temperature and clean flavor profiles. Fresh oil replacements occur regularly, ensuring every nugget fries in pristine conditions that maximize flavor while minimizing unwanted absorption. The chicken sourcing process prioritizes quality, with suppliers meeting strict standards for animal welfare, feed quality, and processing procedures. Each chicken breast arrives with documentation verifying its journey from farm to facility, ensuring complete transparency and quality assurance. Grinding equipment calibration occurs hourly, maintaining the precise texture that allows nuggets to hold together while remaining tender inside. The forming machines create thousands of identical shapes hourly, their mechanical precision ensuring every nugget meets exact size specifications. Batter viscosity testing happens continuously, with technicians adjusting moisture levels to ensure consistent coating, adhesion, and final texture. The breading application process uses specialized tumblers that gently coat nuggets while preventing damage to their carefully formed shapes. Excess breading recovery systems collect and filter unused crumbs, maintaining efficiency while ensuring only fresh coating touches each nugget. The par frying oil temperature never varies more than 2 degrees, precision that guarantees consistent cooking and color development. Infrared sensors detect any nuggets with insufficient browning, automatically diverting them for reprocessing to maintain quality standards throughout production. The flash freezing tunnels use liquid nitrogen technology, instantly locking in flavor and texture at the peak of freshness. Packaging machinery operates with surgical precision, counting exact quantities while maintaining gentle handling that preserves nugget integrity completely. Vacuum-sealed bags protect against freezer burn, ensuring nuggets taste as fresh after weeks of storage as they did initially. Distribution centers maintain strict temperature zones with backup generators, ensuring continuous refrigeration even during power outages or emergencies. GPS tracking monitors every delivery truck, providing real-time updates on location and temperature to ensure safe, timely nugget arrival. Restaurant freezers undergo daily temperature checks with automatic alerts, triggering if conditions deviate from optimal storage ranges even slightly. The final frying process at restaurants follows precise timers with audible alerts, ensuring no batch overcooks or undercooks ever. Holding time limits ensure nuggets never sit too long after cooking, maintaining the perfect balance of crispness and moisture. Each restaurant follows identical preparation procedures, guaranteeing customers experience consistent quality whether in New York or California locations. The nuggets journey from farm to table typically completes within 2 weeks, a testament to efficient supply chain management. Sustainability initiatives reduce waste throughout production, with chicken trimmings repurposed and packaging materials sourced from renewable resources whenever possible. Energy-efficient equipment minimizes environmental impact while maintaining the high production volumes needed to satisfy global McNugget demand daily. Water recycling systems clean and reuse processing water multiple times, reducing consumption while maintaining strict sanitation standards throughout facilities. The facilities employ thousands of workers, each trained extensively in food safety, quality control, and their specific production responsibilities. Continuous improvement programs encourage employee feedback with suggestions, often leading to process enhancements that benefit quality and efficiency. Research kitchens constantly experiment with new techniques, testing innovations that might improve texture, flavor, or nutritional profiles further. Consumer feedback drives recipe adjustments with slight modifications, responding to changing preferences while maintaining the classic McNugget experience. International variations accommodate regional tastes, with facilities adjusting seasoning blends to match local palates while preserving core identity. The iconic four shapes weren't arbitrary choices, but carefully designed forms that optimize cooking uniformity and sauce holding capacity. Mathematical modeling determines optimal nugget thickness, balancing cooking speed with moisture retention to achieve ideal texture throughout each piece. The boot shape's curves, the bell's ridges, the ball's roundness, and the bone's length each serve specific textural purposes. Surface area calculations ensure every shape receives equal breading coverage, creating consistent flavor and crunch in every single bite. The nugget's internal structure features tiny air pockets that trap steam during cooking, contributing to their uniquely tender texture. Protein alignment during grinding and forming creates grain patterns that promote even cooking and prevent tough spots from developing. The breading's multiple layers serve different functions: adhesion, moisture, barrier, crunch, creation, and flavor delivery in perfect harmony. Microscopic analysis reveals how oil penetration during par frying creates the foundation for the final crispy texture customers love. The freezing process forms ice crystals, strategically preserving cellular structure while maintaining the nugget's ability to crisp when reheated. Packaging design considers multiple factors, including moisture migration, freezer burn prevention, and maintaining nugget separation during storage periods. The supply chain's complexity requires sophisticated logistics software that coordinates farming, processing, distribution, and restaurant delivery seamlessly nationwide. Quality assurance extends beyond production, with mystery shoppers regularly purchasing nuggets to verify restaurant compliance with preparation standards. Nutritional consistency remains paramount, with each nugget providing predictable amounts of protein, calories, and other dietary components reliably. The cooking oil selection process evaluated dozens of options before choosing blends that deliver optimal flavor without overwhelming. Temperature mapping throughout facilities ensures no cold spots exist where bacteria might survive the carefully controlled cooking processes. Allergen management protocols prevent cross-contamination with dedicated equipment and rigorous cleaning procedures, protecting sensitive customers from exposure risks. The facilities maintain redundant safety systems with backup equipment ready to maintain production without compromising quality or safety standards. Documentation requirements mean every nugget can be traced back to specific farms, production dates, and quality test results comprehensively. Regular third-party audits provide independent verification that facilities meet or exceed industry standards for food safety and quality. The nugget production line represents decades of refinement, with each improvement building upon lessons learned from billions served. Automated systems work in harmony with human expertise, combining technological precision with experienced judgment for optimal results consistently. The commitment to consistency means customers can trust their McNuggets will deliver familiar satisfaction with every single order placed. From the farmer's field to the restaurant counter, each step prioritizes delivering safe, delicious nuggets worthy of customer trust. The golden brown color that signals perfect preparation results from precise temperature control and carefully formulated breading chemistry working together. Steam vents built into packaging prevent condensation accumulation that could compromise the crispy coating during transport and storage. The nugget's internal temperature reaches 165 degrees during cooking, ensuring food safety while preserving juicy tenderness. Portion control ensures value consistency, with each nugget box containing the exact weight customers expect regardless of shape combinations. The satisfying crunch that greets each bite results from multiple factors, including breading composition, frying, temperature, and moisture content. Flavor development continues even after cooking with resting time, allowing seasonings to fully permeate the tender chicken meat inside. The nugget's versatility extends beyond sauces, with creative customers incorporating them into salads, wraps, and other menu innovations. Children often eat nuggets as their first solid protein, making quality and safety particularly important for these young consumers. The emotional connection many feel toward McNuggets reflects their role in childhood memories and family dining experiences worldwide. Production facilities operate continuously with overlapping shifts, ensuring fresh nuggets are always available to meet customer demand globally. The economic impact extends far beyond restaurants, supporting farmers, truckers, factory workers, and countless other supply chain participants. Innovation continues with plant-based alternatives under development, applying the same rigorous standards to new protein sources and ingredients. The McNugget's success inspired countless imitators, but the original's combination of quality, consistency, and flavor remains unmatched today. Every element, from seasoning to shape, contributes to an eating experience that transcends simple fast food into cultural phenomenon. The journey from farm to table showcases American food innovation, transforming simple ingredients into beloved menu items through ingenuity. As production lines hum with activity, they're creating more than nuggets. They're crafting moments of enjoyment for millions daily. The dedication to perfection shows in every golden nugget, where decades of expertise meet cutting-edge technology for exceptional results. Behind the familiar taste lies complex chemistry with Maillard reactions, creating hundreds of flavor compounds during the frying process. The crispy coating's structural integrity depends on starch gelatinization, a precise transformation that occurs at exact temperature and timing. Moisture management throughout processing prevents sogginess, with each step carefully calibrated to maintain optimal texture from production through consumption. The nugget's consistent size ensures uniform heating in restaurant fryers, preventing some pieces from overcooking while others remain underdone. Sensory panels regularly evaluate nuggets, scoring attributes like crunchiness, juiciness, flavor, intensity, and overall eating experience with precision. The white meat chicken provides lean protein, while the breading adds satisfying carbohydrates, creating a balanced nutritional profile. Restaurant crew members learn specific techniques for handling nuggets, from proper basket loading to optimal draining angles after frying. The unmistakable aroma of cooking McNuggets triggers appetite responses with volatile compounds designed to entice customers from afar. Each nugget represents a symphony of textures: crispy exterior, tender interior, and the perfect moisture balance throughout every bite. The production facility's climate control maintains exact humidity levels, preventing moisture absorption that could compromise breading crispness significantly. Specialized lighting in quality control areas reveals any imperfections in color or coating that might affect customer satisfaction levels. The nugget's popularity spans generations, with grandparents sharing the same enjoyment their grandchildren discover for the first time. Cultural adaptations include spicy variants and regional sauces, allowing McNuggets to satisfy diverse palates while maintaining core appeal. The supply chain's resilience ensures continuous availability, with contingency plans addressing potential disruptions from weather to transportation challenges. Employee pride in producing quality nuggets shows through meticulous attention to detail at every production stage throughout facilities. The breading adheres through a complex interaction of proteins and starches, creating bonds that survive freezing and reheating intact. Oil absorption rates are precisely controlled, ensuring nuggets achieve crispness without becoming greasy or heavy on the palate. The chicken's journey from farm to nugget typically spans 72 hours, demonstrating remarkable efficiency in modern food production. Packaging, graphics, and design evolve through consumer research, creating visual appeal that enhances the overall McNugget dining experience. The satisfying tear of opening a nugget box releases aromatic compounds that heighten anticipation before the first bite. Temperature retention technology in packaging maintains serving heat longer, ensuring nuggets arrive at tables still steaming and delicious. The golden color psychology triggers appetite appeal, with specific shade targets that signal perfect preparation to waiting customers. Bite-sized portions make nuggets ideal for sharing, fostering social connections over communal meals enjoyed by families and friends. The production process eliminates waste through careful planning, with every part of the chicken utilized for various menu items. Quality markers include breading coverage, percentage color, uniformity measurements, and internal temperature readings at multiple checkpoint stages throughout. The nugget's structural stability allows for dipping without breaking apart, a design feature that enhances the eating experience. Seasonal demand fluctuations require sophisticated forecasting models that ensure adequate supply without overproduction or waste during peak periods. The crispy, tender contrast creates what food scientists call dynamic contrast, a sensory experience that increases eating enjoyment significantly. Restaurant holding equipment maintains precise temperature and humidity levels, preserving quality during the brief wait before serving. The nugget's neutral flavor profile makes them perfect vehicles for sauce experimentation, from classic to adventurous flavor combinations. Production line speeds are carefully calibrated, balancing efficiency with the gentle handling necessary to maintain nugget integrity throughout. The breading's golden hue develops through carefully controlled browning reactions that create both color and complex flavor compounds. Each nugget contains approximately 45 calories, making portion control easy for customers monitoring their nutritional intake carefully. The tempura-style coating technique, borrowed from Japanese cuisine, creates the light, crispy texture that distinguishes McNuggets from competitors. Freezer storage tests ensure nuggets maintain quality for months, though most are consumed within days of production completion. The four shapes aren't just playful. They're engineered to cook evenly despite their different geometries and thickness variations. Protein quality testing verifies that only premium white meat enters production, maintaining the high standards customers expect consistently. The breading recipe took years to perfect, balancing adhesion, crispness, flavor, absorption, and structural integrity through countless iterations. Oil filtration systems remove particles continuously during frying, maintaining clean flavor profiles throughout extended production runs without interruption. The nugget's moisture content hits the sweet spot between juiciness and structure, preventing dryness while maintaining satisfying texture. Automated portion control ensures every customer receives equal value, with sophisticated scales rejecting over or underweight packages immediately. The production facility's design minimizes contamination risks through strategic workflow patterns that separate raw and cooked product areas. Taste consistency across batches requires precise ingredient measurements with computer-controlled dispensing systems, ensuring accuracy to fractions of grams. The Nuggets' thermal mass allows them to retain heat effectively, staying warm during the journey from kitchen to table. Restaurant managers monitor nugget quality metrics, daily tracking, cooking times, temperatures, and customer satisfaction scores for continuous improvement. The breading's microporous structure traps air during frying, creating the light, crispy texture customers recognize and love instantly. Supply chain transparency allows tracking from specific farms through processing, distribution, and finally to individual restaurant locations nationwide. The Nuggets' success spawned an entire category of breaded chicken products, though none matched the original's iconic status. Employee training emphasizes that every nugget represents the brand's reputation, instilling pride and responsibility throughout the production process. The chicken's diet affects final flavor, with suppliers following strict feeding protocols that ensure consistent taste profiles year-round. Breading particle size distribution is precisely controlled with specific ratios of fine to coarse crumbs, creating optimal texture. The par frying process sets the breading structure, creating a foundation that remains stable through freezing transport and final cooking. Quality assurance technicians sample nuggets every 15 minutes during production, evaluating dozens of attributes against strict standards continuously. The facility's positive air pressure prevents contaminants from entering, maintaining the pristine environment necessary for safe food production. Nugget packaging undergoes drop tests and compression trials, ensuring products arrive at restaurants in perfect condition despite handling. The cooking oil smoke point exceeds frying temperatures, significantly preventing breakdown that could create off flavors or unhealthy compounds. Restaurant fryer recovery time between batches ensures consistent temperature, preventing quality variations during busy service periods throughout shifts. The Nuggets' versatility extends to breakfast items in some markets, demonstrating their adaptability across different day parts and occasions. Consumer research reveals McNuggets often serve as comfort food with familiar flavors, providing emotional satisfaction beyond mere sustenance. The production process scales efficiently, maintaining identical quality whether producing thousands or millions of nuggets per day. Sustainability efforts include renewable energy adoption at facilities, reducing the carbon footprint of every nugget produced going forward. The Nuggets' shape recognition helps quality control, with computer vision systems instantly identifying and removing any malformed pieces. Flavor stability during frozen storage depends on antioxidants naturally present in the seasoning blend, preventing rancidity development over time. The breading absorbs exactly the right amount of oil during frying, creating richness without overwhelming the delicate chicken. Production scheduling coordinates with restaurant demand patterns, ensuring fresh inventory arrives just as previous shipments are depleted efficiently. The Nuggets' cultural impact extends beyond food into merchandise, memes, and social media content celebrating their iconic status. Quality control extends to packaging materials with food-safe inks and adhesives that won't contaminate products during storage periods. The signature texture profile was reverse engineered from consumer preferences, creating a product that delivers maximum satisfaction consistently. Restaurant crew members receive specialized training on nugget preparation, learning techniques that maximize quality and minimize waste effectively. The breading's adhesion strength, measured in laboratory tests, ensures coating remains attached throughout handling, cooking, and consumption completely. Moisture migration studies inform packaging design, preventing the breading from becoming soggy during extended frozen storage periods altogether. The Nuggets' uniform density ensures predictable cooking behavior, eliminating variables that could affect final quality or safety standards. Production line maintenance schedules prevent equipment wear from affecting product quality, with redundant systems ensuring continuous operation always. The chicken sourcing network spans multiple suppliers, providing supply security while maintaining consistent quality standards across all sources. Breading application rates are monitored continuously with automatic adjustments, maintaining the perfect coating to chicken ratio throughout production runs. The flash freeze process preserves cellular structure at the molecular level, maintaining texture quality indistinguishable from fresh cooked products. Restaurant holding times are precisely calculated, balancing customer service speed with the quality degradation that occurs over time. The Nuggets' mild flavor appeals to picky eaters, while seasoning provides enough interest for more adventurous palates simultaneously. Production efficiency improvements over decades reduced costs without compromising quality, making nuggets accessible to customers at all economic levels. The facility's water treatment systems ensure only purified water contacts food products, eliminating potential contamination sources completely throughout. Nugget shape consistency affects cooking uniformity with tolerance measurements, ensuring every piece meets exact dimensional specifications before packaging. The breading's crunch amplitude measured by texture analyzers correlates directly with customer satisfaction scores in taste tests. Supply chain coordination prevents ingredient shortages that could halt production with strategic reserves, maintaining continuous nugget availability nationwide. The cooking process denatures proteins, precisely achieving food safety while preserving the tender texture customers expect every time. Restaurant quality checks include random nugget sampling with managers tasting products to ensure standards are maintained throughout service. The production facility's layout follows lean manufacturing principles, minimizing waste while maximizing efficiency and product quality simultaneously throughout. Breading moisture content affects crispness development with precise humidity control, ensuring optimal texture in the finished nuggets always. The nugget's success demonstrates how industrial food production can deliver consistent quality at scale without sacrificing taste appeal. Employee wellness programs at production facilities ensure workers remain healthy and motivated, contributing to consistent product quality daily. The chicken's texture benefits from controlled aging with precise timing, allowing natural enzymes to tenderize meat before processing. Breading adhesion testing uses specialized equipment that measures the force required to remove coating from cooked nuggets precisely. The production process incorporates multiple fail-safes, preventing substandard products from reaching consumers through redundant quality checks throughout. Restaurant fryer oil testing ensures quality standards with regular replacement schedules, maintaining the clean taste nuggets deserve consistently. The nuggets portion size strikes the perfect balance, substantial enough to satisfy while allowing room for other menu items. Production data analytics identify trends and anomalies, enabling proactive adjustments that maintain quality before issues affect customers significantly. The facility's pest control systems prevent contamination without using chemicals that could affect food safety or quality standards. Nugget packaging design evolution reflects changing consumer preferences from basic functionality to Instagram-worthy presentation that enhances dining experiences. The breading's oil barrier properties prevent excessive absorption while allowing enough penetration for rich, satisfying flavor development throughout. Quality metrics tracked throughout production create accountability with every department, understanding their role in delivering perfect nuggets consistently. The chicken meat's pH level affects protein functionality, with careful monitoring ensuring optimal binding and texture properties always. Restaurant equipment calibration schedules ensure fryers maintain exact temperatures, preventing quality variations between different store locations nationwide today. The nuggets embody fast food innovation, transforming a simple concept into a globally recognized product through relentless quality focus. Production facility tours reveal the impressive scale and precision required to produce millions of identical nuggets daily without compromise. The breading system's 3 distinct layers each contribute unique properties: adhesion, moisture barrier, and textural contrast, working together harmoniously. Supply chain risk management ensures uninterrupted nugget availability with contingency plans addressing every potential disruption scenario proactively and comprehensively. The cooking oil's fatty acid profile was selected to optimize flavor development while maintaining stability during extended frying periods. Restaurant crew pride in serving perfect nuggets shows through careful attention during preparation, handling, and presentation to eager customers. The nuggets' consistent availability regardless of location demonstrates the supply chain's remarkable efficiency and reliability across vast geographic distances. Production innovation continues with automation advances that maintain human quality oversight while improving efficiency and consistency throughout facilities nationwide. The chicken grinding process creates optimal particle size distribution, balancing structure with tenderness in every finished nugget produced daily. Breading coverage uniformity measured by image analysis ensures every nugget receives the perfect amount of crispy coating consistently throughout. The facility's quality culture empowers every employee to stop production if standards aren't met, prioritizing excellence over speed always. Restaurant presentation standards ensure nuggets are arranged appealingly in boxes, enhancing the visual experience that precedes tasting them. The nuggets' enduring popularity proves that consistency and quality matter more than novelty in creating lasting customer loyalty relationships. Production capacity planning anticipates demand surges during promotions, ensuring adequate supply without creating excess inventory waste unnecessarily throughout operations. The final quality check before shipping verifies temperature, packaging, integrity, and documentation accuracy for every single batch produced daily. From farm-fresh chicken to golden crispy perfection, McNuggets represent American food engineering excellence, delivering joy through every delicious, satisfying bite. The journey concludes at your table, where carefully orchestrated processes unite in creating moments of simple pleasure and satisfaction. This is how McDonald's transforms quality ingredients into beloved chicken McNuggets, maintaining excellence from farm to your fingertips daily.